Okay, next, let's continue to hypothesis test for the difference between the population mean. But this one is for dependent sample. Okay, syarat dependent sample. Hari tu kita test dekat a group of population tu twice pun tak, 2 kali. Okay, contohnya before and after. So that we call it as dependent sample. Dia benda yang sama but we measure 2 times. Okay. Okay, so the H0 and H1 dia. Okay, H0 dia adalah mu D equals to 0. H1 for left tail mu D less than 0. Right tail mu D greater than 0. For left tail, two tail mu D not equal 0. Okay, mu D ni maksudnya kita tolakkan mean. Sorry. Kan awak akan calculate dulu kan before tolak after. So itulah maksud mu difference tu. Okay, so the test statistic here adalah T equals to D bar minus 0 over SD over square root N. Okay, so first kena calculate dulu D bar dengan standard deviation of the difference lah. Okay, and then the critical value for left tail is negative T alpha N minus 1. For right tail, T alpha N minus 1. For the two tail, plus minus T alpha over 2 N minus 1, and the respective decision rule lah. So you can look at the table. Now, kita tengok dia punya. Okay, this is the formula. Tadi saya dah sebutkan. Kita tengok dia punya example. Example 18. A motivator claims that his clients can increase their weekly sale after attending his workshop. Increase sale after attending workshop. Maksudnya kat sini, sebelum dia pergi workshop, sales dia kurang lah dari berbanding selepas dia pergi workshop. So means that before is less than after. Kalau itu masuk increase untuk sale. So kena betul-betul decide nak guna simbol apa nanti untuk H0 H1 dia. Okay, to test his claim, a sample of his client is selected and the record of their sales before and after attending the workshop is presented below. Test the motivator's claim at alpha equals to 0.01. Assume that the data are normally distributed. Okay, so apa yang perlu awak buat? You have to find the pair difference, okay, for each clients lah. Cari punya difference, and then cari D square difference tu kuasa 2 kan, sebab kita nak cari dia punya D bar dengan standard deviation of the difference. So D bar kita dapat negative 1.8333 and standard deviation of the difference 2.6394. Okay, now we want to conduct the 5 step tu. Okay, H0 kita adalah mu D equals to 0. Always, H0 always equal. And then H1 mu D less than 0. Sebab apa kita buat less than? Sebab kita tadi dia claim after attending the workshop baru sales dia increase. So means that the sales before attending the workshop is less than sale after attending the workshop. Okay, and then the test statistic we get negative 1.7014. Okay, sebab tadi kita memang decide the left tail kan. Okay, and then critical value we get negative 3.365. So the decision rule is reject H0 if test statistic less than negative 3.365. Okay, so since negative 1.7014 is greater than negative 3.365, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Means that the test is not significant. So what is the conclusion? We can say that there is no significant evidence to indicate that his client can increase their weekly sale after attending his workshop. So kita tak boleh kata claim dia tu not acceptable lah. Tadi dia kata after attending the workshop sales will be increased kan, tapi bila kita dapat hypothesis testing, kita tak boleh terima dia punya claims tu. Okay, maksudnya sales before and after attending workshop dia sama je, tak berubah. Okay, this one is the example kalau kita nak guna p-value approach. Okay, so kalau p-value, still awak kena calculate dulu dia punya test statistic, and then baru tengok dekat table di mana apakah p-value untuk test statistik kita tadi. Okay. So since tadi kita dapat 1.7014, betul tak? Tapi tak ada, the exact value dalam table ni tak ada. Dia berada di antara 1.476 dan 2.615. Tapi awak kena refer degree of freedom yang betul lah. Kalau tadi 6.15 kan, that's why kita tengok dekat degree of freedom 5. So value 1.7 tu adalah antara 1.476 dan 2.015. Okay. So kita buat interpolation. Finally we get value, the p-value equals to 0.0791. So kalau guna p-value, kita punya decision rule adalah reject hash not if p-value less than or equals to alpha. Okay, so since p-value kita 0.0791 lebih besar daripada 0.01, then we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So tak kisahlah awak guna classical approach ataupun p-value approach, your conclusion should be the same. Okay.